Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Rumbuilder. We're doing things a little different today. We are not, it looks like it, we're not at a racetrack. We're actually at my RC airfield. If you've been with me for a really long time, you know I have a passion for radio controlled airplanes too. And this is my other passion. So recently I put my hands on like the first airplane I ever had. I got another one, and this, if you've been in the hobby for a while, you'll recognize this guy. This was a Park Zone P-51 Mustang. They are cool. This one's completely stock. I used to modify the bejesus out of these things. So this is the first stock one I've seen in forever, and we're gonna fly it today, hopefully. And also gonna show off my new camera. This is a GoPro Hero Max, which means that this is a 360 camera, and we're going to be using it as an in-car camera mainly, but also for stuff like this. So I was wondering, will this camera put my wife out of the job as the person who films for me? And Karina, what do you think? You think this camera can do as good as you did?
Maybe.
Sounds like fighting words. Anyway, let's have some fun. So I don't know if you know anything about 360 cameras. If you're watching this, you're more into RC and race cars, but 360 cams are cool because it's kind of like a shoot now and aim later scenario. So like camera's on a tripod and I can walk all the way around the camera and you see everything. So that's really awesome. So let's see if we can track an airplane. It does. All right. So this was like the first airplane I ever flew when I got in the hobby, and I've had quite a few of them. This one feels a little quicker than I remember. Half throttle, she's buzzing around pretty good. See if I can do a slow flyby. Do a fast flyby. He's got some beans. I've always loved this airplane. They don't make these anymore. Got a few of them spare parts wise, but this one is the only one I have that's unmodified. We'll see how the 360 camera handles this. This is a gray sky with a little airplane. Oh, this is fun. Bring it in one piece. It's definitely a good glider. All right. There we go. So that's the old Park Zone P-51 Mustang. This is proof I still know how to fly an airplane. And this is the GoPro 360 Max. Look forward to seeing this in a lot more of my videos. And I'll catch you guys later. Until then, get out there and build something and drive something, fly something. I don't care. Just don't let me be the only one having fun. I can't walk out a camera shot because it's 360, so I'll just walk away like this. Hey, it's Matt coming at you from the editing bay, the top secret Rumbuilder Labs. To finish off this video, I didn't like the way I left it because I hadn't seen the footage at that point. This is such a neat camera. I mean, I really do like it. It might be me not having proper frame rates, or it could just be the airplane was too small and fast. But there's some like aliasing going on where you get a little pixelation, like almost like a pixel trail on the airplane in some of the further away, faster shots. Also, I'm still figuring out how to edit in 360. The 360 file in my video editing software is just a big picture, and I just kind of like zoom in where. So doing the full look around in that. Now the GoPro app handles it perfectly. I'm still learning that. I'm kind of a moron with this stuff, but this is so freaking cool. I mean, the idea of shoot now and edit later has so much potential, and if you watch my last race car video, I've already used this as a dash cam, and all of the in-car shots out the front window and then the other in-car shots inside the car are actually the same camera. I mean, this thing has a lens on this side and a lens on this side, and it blends in the center with the software inside the camera, and it's so cool. This is like, we're living in the future, guys. I definitely recommend this camera in your toolbox, and I hope you enjoy the cool stuff we get to do with it from now on. Rally car videos coming back soon. Big news. More on that on the next video. Until then, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and for the love of God, buy my swag. Or don't. I don't care. Talk to you guys later. Until then, get out there, build something, fly something, drive something. Don't let me be the one having fun. Y'all take care.